In this particular question here, we are given a function f of x, which is equivalent to cos 2x, whereby the domain of the values of x are given, the domain of the values of x are given from 0 all the way to k. We are supposed to find the value of k, and also we are supposed to find the coordinate of this point that we have here. So in order to find the period of this wave, remember the period of this wave is going to end at this point. So this is where the period ends. And we know that if you are having cos ax, then for you to find the period of this wave, you are going to say period is going to be equivalent to 360 divided by the value of a at this point here. So which will mean that the period for this wave that we're having for our case, because this is 2 here, it will be 360 divided by 2, and that's 180 degrees. So this value here will be 45, this will be 90, this will be 135, and this is going to be 180, then for 125 degrees. So if you are asked the coordinate for q, the q is going to be at this particular value here, which is going to be 90 degrees. So the x coordinate for q is 90 degrees. We need also the y coordinate, and because if you are having this function the way it is here, it means the amplitude here is 1. The coefficient of the trigonometric function is 1. So meaning this graph is going to go down -1, and the highest point it can go here is actually 1. So which will mean that the y coordinate here is going to be -1. So we can conclude and say that the coordinate of q is 90, -1, and the r coordinate here is 225, 0. Now we have an obligation of finding the value of k, and actually k is basically, because on the diagram here you are told that the coordinate of this is k0. Yeah, you are told that the coordinate for this is k0, so meaning that our k is equals to 225 degrees. So basically that's what you're supposed to do in order to write the coordinates of a trigonometric function and a trigonometric graph.